Hi, my name is Tanya Powers, and I'm the Graphic Arts Segment Manager at Canon Solutions America. At Canon, we take great pride in offering the most diverse and innovative production printing portfolio solutions in the market. As a result, we are able to provide you with a distinct and competitive edge with your business. I'm excited to spend some time with you discussing the newest groundbreaking technology, the Oce VarioPrint i300. Capable of printing up to 10 million images per month, which is equivalent to 8,700 sheets per hour, the Oce VarioPrint i300 changes the landscape of printing as we know it today. The versatility of the i300 allows print service providers to attack new markets and applications previously inaccessible due to the higher total cost of ownership of color digital toner-based production printers. So what this means for you, with the i300, you can now consolidate sheet-fed black and white, highlight color, and full color digital workflows into one production printing system, allowing you to take on more jobs, manage shorter runs, handle variable data projects, and offer diverse media options. So to help me demonstrate the latest technology, I'd like to introduce Alex Gergely, Product Marketing Manager for the i300. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Tanya.
So when we're talking about the technology, where should we start?
We start at the beginning.
So with our Oce Prisma Sync and the Prisma workflows?
Exactly. Prisma Sync connectivity enables PDLs supporting PDF and IPDS with no reboots. We offer scalable power and seamless integration with the Prisma workflow to manage end-to-end sheet-fed productivity with advanced color management.
Okay, that's great. So why don't we walk down to the front of the press and talk a little bit about the media capabilities?
Sounds good. The i300 is an inkjet sheet-fed printing system designed to enable printing on a broad set of media, including untreated, inkjet treated, and offset coated stocks. Media sizes range from 8 by 8 inches minimum sheet size with a 7 by 10 statement support kit available, up to 12.6 by 19.2 inches maximum sheet size in the standard paper input modules, and we also offer 13.9 by 19.7 inch in the PIM XLs. Media weights range from 16 pounds or 60 to 300 grams per square meter on approved media type. So with these capabilities, the i300 is opening up new opportunities to use inkjet in transactional and direct mail applications, as well as books and manuals. We'll start with the PIMs, paper input modules. We offer 2 PIMs with 4-drawer cascades, 4,600 sheets each. They support all media sizes. 8 picking points, as I mentioned, between the 2 PIMs. These are vacuum fed and climate controlled to keep the sheets as flat as possible. Relative humidity is about 40%. As the sheets are fed up through the system, they go into the page registration module. An XY skew adjustment is made to align the sheet perfectly before it feeds into the sheet entry system, or Sentry as we call it. The Sentry unit detects media deformations, uses a 3D camera system that looks at all sides and edges of the media for defects, any type of deformations on a non-perfect sheet. All bad sheets are then ejected into the upper output bin, and another sheet is pulled from the tray out of the same tray the job is running.
All right, Alex, so we have the perfect paper shifting down the line. We're getting to the point where ink will actually meet paper for the first time. Can you talk a little bit more about the inks and the inkjet head technology?
Yes, let's start with the paper path. Once quality sheets clear the Sentry unit, they enter the seamless belt transport area. This 5-micron thick stainless steel belt has vacuum suction via perforated holes that hold the sheets perfectly flat during transport. The printable area is 2 millimeters from the sheet edges for all media sizes. Front to back registration is approximately 1 millimeter per side. The i300 utilizes printing through drop size modulation to yield a 600 by 600 DPI image with a 1200 DPI perceived quality. Drop sizes are variable depending on media settings in the media verification process. The result is high quality image and outstanding performance and reliability. Jet outs are a fact of life in all inkjet technologies. On the i300, we address this through nozzle failure detection and compensation. We utilize a test pattern that's printed every 100 sheets by default that can be adjusted. Those sheets are essentially scanned by a camera system, and then the machine automatically will compensate through drop size modulation. Nozzle failure detection sheets are printed every 100 impressions by default. The system applies one of 2 compensation models when it sees a jet out. It increases the droplet size of the neighboring nozzle through dot gain. It visually camouflages the jet out, or it replaces with another color to also visually camouflage a jet out. Another huge benefit to the i300 is its automatic maintenance routines. The i300's automatic maintenance routines incorporate the print heads using refresh dots during all runs. The automated self-cleaning procedure is twofold. One is the purge and wipe process, and the other is the wet tissue wipe. This saves considerable time over manual cleaning. It guarantees a very thorough and correct cleaning is done every time between jobs. It reduces operator required actions, saving time and money. After printing, sheets enter the instant drying drum. The standard average drying time for sheets is about 2.5 seconds on all media types and weights. The drying drum uses air suction to keep the prints flat during drying and create a high quality print result. We utilize 4 drying principles: induction heating, which moderates temperature to an average about 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Carbon infrared radiation saves warmth and speeds up drying. Air impingement creates hot air to speed up the drying process, and air suction collects the water vapor to be exhausted. Once sheets are dried, they travel along the paper path to the finishing section, and they reach the high capacity stacker. The high cap stacker supports up to 6,000 sheets of output of all media sizes. It's divided into 2 trays, 3,000 sheets each, can either be stacked, offset, or flush stacked. We also utilize a DFD interface to allow connection to third-party devices or OEM-supported finishing devices.
I want to thank you again, Alex, for your time today and walking us through that very instructive end-to-end high-level overview of the i300. And I think it's clear to everyone that Canon Solutions America is committed to continued investments in production inkjet development. The Oce VarioPrint i300's innovative features, backed by proven technology, bridges the gap between higher cost, less flexible inkjet web presses, and lower speed toner-based cut sheet printers, making it possible to address new market segments productively and cost effectively. If you would like to learn more detailed information on this product, please contact your regional Canon Solutions America Production Printing Solutions sales representative.